Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about how to add an email to the Acres of Timber CRM. Now, as it is a customer relationship management system, there are a lot of different places where emails can go and a lot of different uses for them. If you want to add an external email, so if you want to add a contact or a lead or anything like that, you're going to want to do that under this contacts drop-down menu and into your smart lists. And then once you go into your smart list, you will hit add contact, and then you can add all of their information in there. If it's an internal email that you want to update, change, or add, you just need to scroll down to the bottom here and go to settings. And then once you're in settings, you can change your email from your profile settings. So this is your personal email. And then the company email is located under the company tab here. So if you have a company email that you want to add and a general company phone number, you'll do all of that under here. Now, the email tab itself, this is actually for how you set up templates to send out. So for adding an email, you definitely want to stick to either the company or main profile tab, or if you want to add an email for a team member, you'll do that under the team management tab here. And you can either do it when you're adding an employee, or if you edit an employee under user info, you'll see their email there. All right, so that should cover most of the emails that you would want to add into your Acres of Timber CRM. If you have any other questions, let us know.